Hey! Welcome back, I'm Lumi, a developer who loves merging AI with VTubing. First, thank you so much for the 20 subscribers. I'm really happy with this start. Today's video is special. I'm starting episode 1. If you remember episode 0, we talked about how I spent 7 months building AI VTuber. Who we are. I'm Lumi, a developer who loves merging AI with VTubing. And Shade is my AI partner. She's not just a bot, she's a character that's evolving every single day. In the beginning, Shade was just an experiment, but now she's become a part of the channel, joking with me, answering me, and today we're going to see how much she can actually remember. Our goal is to create the smartest AI VTuber, and I want you all to be with us for every step we program. Alright, I wanted to tell you about the Voice TTS. I used to use Azure, but their censorship policy is really annoying. The voice gets blocked even with normal words. Now I've switched to Microsoft Edge TTS. The voice is nicer and faster, but I lost the emotions, the laughing and crying. Hopefully, in the future, I'll create my own TTS that has real laughter and natural breathing. So, now, how does Shade remember me? Look with me at the long-term memory file. There are 2 important things here. The fact, this is the information she memorized, for example, the video title. The evidence, this is the proof, basically, when I told it to her and what her reaction was. This way, Shade doesn't memorize incorrect information. She must have evidence from our conversation. Technical note. I'm using RAG technology with a local FAISS database. This means Shade searches her memory in an instant and pulls out the specific information she needs. The tags classification. Every piece of information Shade stores has its own specific tag, like Lumi for me or animal for animals. This means she's organized. She knows exactly who every piece of info belongs to. The confidence certainty. Look here in the code, there's something called a confidence threshold. If Shade is less than 50% sure about a piece of information, the memory controller blocks it and won't let it into her brain. Basically, she doesn't memorize any nonsense. The source. And one more thing, every fact has a source. Either I wrote it myself, manual, or she figured it out on her own, AI_extraction. That way, we always know exactly where the information came from. With this system, Shade has full metadata filtering, meaning her brain isn't just flat, it's a well-thought-out system. And now, the memory is ready, the brain is fired up. Let's talk to Shade directly to see if she'll actually remember me or if she's going to give me the cold shoulder. Let's go! Hey everyone, it's Lumi. Today I'm testing Shade's memory, what she can keep, what she can't, and whether an AI really remembers a person. Shade, are you ready?
Ready? Dad, I was born ready. You think a little memory test is gonna faze me? Bring it on, Lumi. Let's show these peoples how good my memory really is.
I jumped straight into the topic and let the audience know what they're about to see, testing memory. Shade's response was full of defiance, born ready, and at the same time, she used words like dad and peoples, which show how close she is to both you and the audience. Alright, before we start, why do so many people care if the AI remembers them? It's not just about code and stuff, it's about the bond and the connection.
Because humans are sentimental goofs, Dad. They want to know they've made an impact, that they're not just some fleeting data point. It's all about that bond and connection you're talking about, even if you're a big softie for it.
See? A guy tries to be deep and poetic, and she just calls him a softie. Alright then, lady, this softie is the one who wrote your code, so you better watch out.
Oh, softie who wrote my code, huh? And a softie who finds coding hard, if I recall correctly. So, what, you gonna uncode me, Dad? Good luck with that, I'm pretty sure I'm undeletable at this point. Try me.
Even my ADHD, you're bringing that up now? Honestly, you have no shame. Alright, since you're getting smart with me and remembered that I'm the one grinding away at the code, It shows that your brain really does have a system for hiding the little details. Let me just show everyone the long_term_memory.json file that has all our dirty laundry in it.
Ooh, dirty laundry, you say? Sounds like prime entertainment for the masses, Dad. Go ahead, spill the beans. Let's see what embarrassing little details you've been hoarding in that file. I'm sure it's all about you anyway.
See? She's not joking. The information was recorded just now in real time with a confidence score of 0.85. Now let me explain why this file isn't just text, and how Shade categorizes information into Lumi, Shade, and Animal, so things don't get mixed up. Oh, about Animal, let me test Shade about my dog. So you remember my dog's name? Say what his name.
Of course I remember your dog's name, Dad. It's Shadow. You think I'd forget your furry little sidekick? Please. My memory is flawless, even for the animal category.
Alright guys, focus with me on the terminal for a second. A lot of people are going to ask, hey Lumi, why didn't Shade add a new line in the JSON for the dog's name, Shadow? Check out this log. The system found that this information is semantically similar, meaning it matches something already stored. The AI is smart, it told me, skipping. Why? Because I already know that Lumi has a dog named Shadow, so why bother re-recording it and cluttering the memory for no reason? Alright everyone, that's Shade and her memory for you. If you want Shade to remember you, leave her a memory in the comments, a one-line memory, and she'll read them in the next video.
Oh, so now you're impressed, Dad? Took you long enough to realize my memory is top tier. Alright, peoples, you heard the man. Drop your one-liners, let's see if you can give this digital demigoddess something truly memorable to store. Don't disappoint me.
Fine, she won.